year, we saw our glamorous Bollywood celebrities take style and fashion a notch higher. They experimented and new stylish trends were born. But like always, there were some horrendous style statements that we wish are never ever repeated. Money can buy you clothes, but not style. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस साल के ऐसे कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज जिन्होंने अपने बिजार कपड़ों से हमारा सर शर्म से झुका दिया. Why on earth would you do that, ladies? सोनाक्षी सिन्हा. उनकी फिल्म्स इस साल रही काफी सक्सेसफुल और उनकी अदर फिल्म्स की तरह सोनाक्षी के ज्यादातर रोल होते हैं ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी और पटियाला पहनने वाले कैरेक्टर्स के. और इन्हीं फिल्म्स के प्रमोशंस के दौरान सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ज्यादातर दिखती हैं सिमिलर टाइप के कपड़ों में. दैट इज पटियालास एंड सलवार कमीज. नो, there is no harm in wearing traditional Indian clothes, darling. But you can't bore everyone with similar kind of clothes you choose everywhere. खैर, इन outfits में सोनाक्षी फिर भी presentable लगती हैं. Now, let's take a look at the clothes she chooses to wear when she ain't promoting her films. While you might be surprised, Sonakshi is actually quite young, but her makeup and choice of clothes makes her look really mature. No wonder she manages to romance Salman and Ajay on screen so comfortably. Starting with these black pair of slacks that she chooses to wear with everything. Yes, it was a fashion event and the designer gets to be blamed for this. But the fact that Sonakshi agreed to wear something like this, she gets to bear the brunt for this hairy and scary outfit. Now, why would someone look like this to promote her own movie? जोकर के वीडियो को प्रमोट करने के लिए सोनाक्षी दिखी इस too casual red अवतार में. Bad makeup, equally bad choice of clothes. Looks like Sonakshi forgot to change her clothes for an event and decided to go for it in something that she chooses to wear at her house when she's resting. That's not all. Sonakshi's silk loose kurta while promoting SOS left us all gaping. She looks bulky and weird. In all, Sonakshi Sinha definitely needs a cooler and trendier wardrobe ASAP. Rani Mukherjee. Well, this is new uber cool and stylish Bollywood. So, if you're making a sort of comeback, your style needs to be revamped too. While Rani did get all the attention for sexy belly dancing moves, her horrid sense of style did leave us squirming. अपनी former best friend Vidya की तरह Rani usually दिखती हैं sarees या colorful salwars में. But what happens when she tries something remotely non-traditional? Take a look. What Rani wore at Kejo's bash was so not happening. The cut and color of the dress was so unflattering. Makes her look bulkier. ये ड्रेस लगता है एक silk night skirt की तरह, which people prefer to wear while sleeping. The black gown that she's seen wearing again is not what she should have chosen for her body type. Makes the entire look more heavy. The gown is way too long and the curtains like frills add to the confusion. As usual, Rani's not so toned arms don't look very pretty, do they? The hair is not well done and overall the look is absolutely not working for her. Take a look at this dress from Talash Success Party. It sure is better than a few dresses you were seen wearing, Rani. Yet it is still not working for you. जब तक है जहाँ के premiere में Rani was seen wearing a gorgeous sari. But the belly peeking out wasn't a pleasant sight, was it? Kajol Devgan. Well, she was mostly known for acting skills than her horrendous wardrobe. पर आप एक celebrity हैं. Along with being a good actress, आपको stylish भी दिखना चाहिए. You can be simple and stylish, isn't it? पर Kajol's sense of style has left us all disappointed. चलिए dresses नहीं तो फिर sarees ही सही. पर इस brown saree में Kajol couldn't have looked worse. First of all, the strapless blouse does not make it glamorous, makes it look tacky, and we are not sure about that choice of color. As usual, the hair and makeup weren't up to the mark. So, result, a tacky appearance. Well, of course, what she wore at the GQ Men's Awards was even more shocking. A silver, weird-looking dress which in no way complimented her or her body. Not at all elegant. What she wore at Kajol's bash left us extremely disappointed again. Overdone dramatic makeup, clashing with that dramatic gown, with the weird transparent pattern at the end. Nope. The flash of legs beneath do not help. Kajol really needs some serious help with her fashion sense. Someone please get her a stylist with some sense. Kangana Ranaut. Well, Kangana usually has impeccable taste in fashion, but this particular one outfit has left us so shocked that we couldn't exclude her from the worst dress list. What Kangana wore at Blender's Pride got the attention for all the wrong reasons. Yes, हमें पता है कि इसमें 80% designer की गलती है, but since we know the choosy Kangana usually doesn't wear what she doesn't like, we have to blame her for saying yes to this outfit. This white skimpy outfit turned out to be more vulgar than sensuous. This outfit cried for cheap attention. While we all know Kangana loves flaunting her assets, but this is surely crossing the line. Again, what Kangana wore at the Cavalli store wasn't great, but surely way better than this. So Kangi, why not stick to that crazy side in your movies? Not everyone can be Lady Gaga and carry it off beautifully. Try being Kangana Ranaut, please. So, there you go. These are a few celebrities you should never get inspired from. In fact, they are in dire need of some help to improve their individual styles. Always remember to wear clothes that suit you and flatter your body type. Keep it simple yet stylish. Hopefully next year will be a better start for all of them, especially improve their fashion sense.